Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a purchase order in Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and navigate to the dashboard. Next, click on the Purchases tab at the top of your screen. Under this section, select Purchase Orders to view existing orders. To create a new purchase order, click the Create New Purchase Order button. This will open a form where you can enter all the necessary details. Start by selecting the vendor name, then choose the delivery address. Next, enter the purchase order number. Zoho Books may suggest one automatically, or you can input your own for tracking purposes. Now, add the item details, including product or service descriptions, quantities, rates, total amounts, and any additional notes like discounts or delivery instructions. Once you've reviewed all the information, click Save and Send. This will save your purchase order in Zoho Books and send it directly to the vendor. And that's it. You've successfully created a purchase order in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.